don't understand.
And I watch. The latest.
He's proud.
He's a prank. Where are the cameras? He's a prank.
Bring it out. Yeah, because
Please, let's meet that one. He's proud. I told you that.
My country people, how on a day? It's your girl Cindy. On today's episode, na Purple Speedy's boyfriend matter we carry come. I know say for this channel, no benge news I dey bring come undiluted as e dey hot. As them dey cook am, na so I dey carry come give una. So internet just dey hot, internet just dey catch fire. Na who dey trend? Na Purple Speedy boyfriend o. Wetin cause all this heat for internet o? Na wetin Crispdal, Purple Speedy boyfriend gift am o. Una know say Purple Speedy's birthday was on 10th. So yesterday Crispdal gifted him girlfriend watch, Apple Watch. So it triggered a lot of reactions. We know we Nigerians now, we like to dey chook mouth. People were like saying, an ordinary watch boyfriend dey give him girlfriend. Upon say Purple Speedy buy a lot of gifts during his own time o. Say wetin, which kind boyfriend be this one wey go buy ordinary watch for him? Even from the videos, Nigerians don dey chook mouth say Purple Speedy no dey happy, that they are sure Purple Speedy no dey happy, that she expected a lot from am, even if na car, even if na moto, even if na land, that the one wey he give, no, he no try at all. No be small thing, no be small thing. Make I play the video for una so una go watch am. Write wetin you think for comment section. Thank you.
Crispdal surprised Purple Speedy for her birthday.
From Crispdal.
Tan 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 tan.
Alright, you can take off our clothes.
Clothes?
Guys, just spoil my video.
It's you.
Surprise!
Surprise.
Am I not enough gift?
You are enough.
Why you guys doing like this now? Am I not a gift to you, baby?
You are.
Am I? So God has given you. God has given me as a gift to you. But nevertheless, come Tony, fall in with my gifts.
The second present.
I don't understand.
And I watch. The latest.
He's proud.
He's a prank. Where are the cameras? He's a prank.
Bring it out.
Yeah, because
Please, let's meet that one. He's proud. I told you that to another party for the He's a proud.
Oh, that's the mom. I don't like that.
It's video.
Can I show you my
Video should start.
It's video. Nobody said she guys. Let me go and check.